It's Abby, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing my empties for May and June. So I did not film anything in May, and it's the end of June, so I need to do my empties. I don't have that much stuff accumulated over 2 months because I haven't really used makeup all month. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I emptied was this Detox Dry Shampoo from Dry Bar. Kind of have a love-hate relationship with this. I love it because it's extremely potent, like the best working, like most heavy-duty dry shampoo that I've ever used. I got it because of Rihanna HY and Logical Harmony. They both swear by it. I'm not like, the scent is just, I wish it was unscented, honestly, but it's so expensive. It's $23. And sometimes they're running a sale, or if they have the 20% off Prestige at Ulta or Sephora, then you can get it a little bit cheaper, but it's still a lot for a dry shampoo. And I've got the dry shampoo from Lush that's a lot cheaper, but it's not like as powerful, but it still gets the job done. That one, I'll use it like at night and in the morning to kind of like keep the oil down, because this one, like I woke up today like a grease ball and it just got rid of it. So but like the Lush one wouldn't do that good of a job. I don't know. And it's also, you get a lot more uses out of the Lush one. I'm curious to try, though, the brand that makes the Takasumi Detox deodorant. Kaya Naturals, I forgot the name. But they just made a dry shampoo, and I'm curious to try that because it doesn't have what's that? This one has like the bad stuff like isobutane and propane in it, which is probably not good for your hair. So that's another reason why I kind of want to get away from this. But I don't know, we'll see. I mean, it works really good and it's easy for lazy days. You just spray it on, wait for it to dry, and then, just shake it out and you're good to go. The next thing was this Alba Botanica Even Advanced Daily Moisturizer. This has SPF 15. I really liked this moisturizer. It's really lightweight. It's not like greasy like some SPF moisturizers can feel. And it helps to even out like my skin tone. Like, after you wash your face, it can get red. So this helps to even it out. Also evens out the texture just a little bit. It does smell like Irish Spring soap, but you'll get used to it after a while. And this is really affordable. It was $10, and I just haven't been able to find it. Like, Ulta doesn't carry it anymore. I think maybe the grocery store carries it, but they might be a little more expensive than online. But I would definitely purchase this again because I'm using an SPF moisturizer right now from Juice, and I don't like it. It's really thick, and it smells like rotten Fruit Loops. So, yeah, I'll go back to this one once I finish up that one from Juice. I used up a Kale Detox face wash from Pacifica. This is my favorite face wash from Pacifica. I usually go back and forth between this one and the Seafoam one. But this one is better for if I'm more oily, especially in the summer. And then I try to stick with the Seafoam in the winter. Duh. But it's a really good, gentle face wash. Doesn't dry my skin out or anything. It's better suited for oily skin, which I have in the summer. That one is $10. And then, very sad day, that finished my last backup of the Pacifica Tennessee Jasmine Lime hand cream. I kept this in my pocket at work, which was really convenient because, like, my apron pockets, or my vest pockets, like, this fit perfectly sideways in it, so it didn't fall out. I'm using one now that's a little bit shorter, and it keeps falling out when I, like, bend over to pick something up. But anyways, this was an Ulta exclusive scent, and then Ulta stopped carrying it. And I would have to place an order on Pacifica's website to get it. So eventually I will, because they sell preserve razors, and I would probably just wait until I need to restock up on some Pacifica stuff. Get some more of these, some razors, all that fun stuff. And this one is $9. Next is the Derma E Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask. This was a sample that I got when I placed the order for their shampoo and the vitamin E cream. I really, really like this. This is definitely a dupe for the Glam Glow, their charcoal purifying one. I can't remember what it's called. I had it a while back. And this one is really good. However, Derma E sold to another brand, and I have not heard anything about whether that brand is cruelty free or not, so I'm waiting to purchase any more of their products. Well, besides my no-buy, of course, but I'll wait until to purchase any more of their products until I am for sure that their new parent company is completely cruelty free. So, but I really like this, so if you're interested in a charcoal mask, check that out. But if you're interested in, if you're concerned about parent companies, then I'd wait. And I valued sample packets at $1, just to give them some kind of value for, you know, not using them up for nothing. Then I used the cactus water wipes from Pacifica. I haven't had one of these in here in a while because I used the makeup remover towels from Ulta, the makeup eraser dupes, and I really like those a lot better than wipes. They work a lot better, so I'll still keep these around just for, you know, in case I need them. And those are $6. And then finally, after years, this Garnier hairspray is completely done. Like, there is nothing left in it. It takes me forever to use a hairspray because I don't use it that often. So this one lasted a long time. I'm not going to repurchase, obviously, because Garnier is not cruelty free despite what they say and what they pay influencers to say online. Garnier tests on animals. And yeah, so I need to find a new hairspray. For now, I have a finishing spray from Paul Mitchell, but it's not really a hairspray. So I don't know, I need to find a new one. And that was, the best price I could find for this was $4. I'm not sure, Ulta doesn't sell it. That's where I usually base my prices off of. But I found it on Target and it was like $4, which seems really cheap to me, but you know. And I finally used this mask. I mentioned in a few videos that I hadn't used it yet. This is the Pacifica Stress Rehab Coconut and Caffeine Facial Mask. This is amazing. So if your face has been like kind of just icky and dried out or whatever the case is, I would strongly suggest this mask. It's one of those cloth, what's this called? Sheet mask, there we go. And it is just like the serum in it is so good. When you first put it on, it kind of burns a little bit, like when you have put moisturizer on and your face is extremely dry, but it goes away after a little bit, and then your skin just feels amazing afterwards. Like, I wish I would have, because there's always, with these sheet masks, there's extra product that like settles in the bottom to keep the sheet like moisturized, and I wish I would have like poured that out into a little jar to use later. Next time I get one, I'll do that. And then I used up another Yes To Vitamin Enriched Kale Mud Mask. I really like these. This is good for like nourishing, besides just moisture. Like, your skin doesn't only need moisture, it needs other stuff too. So yeah, I really like this one. This says it's one use, but like, I don't know anybody who would be able to use this whole thing on their face. So I just put it in a little, well, this one I just kind of squeezed some out and then left it, and it kind of dried out. So, but before I put it in a little pot, so I'm going to keep putting it in a pot from now on because I didn't want to waste any. But I definitely recommend that mask too. So they were, the Pacifica one was $4, and then the CS2 one is $2. And then something that I am destashing, I'm not going to use anymore, is the Schmidt's Bergamot and Lime Deodorant. I wanted to just use this up because Schmidt's, I can't say that, Schmidt's is owned by a parent company that tests on animals now, which really stinks. But I got this way before that, and it just did not agree with my skin. It kind of gave me a rash, like I had a sunburn. It was horrible. And I've been using the Takasumi Detox deodorant from Kaya Naturals, and it's working really, really well. So I thought, you know, some people have said that like once you use the Takasumi Detox, it will let you use other deodorants and they work better. But like when I first used this, it took probably a month or two before I started noticing any irritation. So I thought that I could just use it like off and on and it would, you know, not bother me. But no, that's not the case. I tried it after a little while and it was horrible. So yeah, can't use it again. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it. So the total I'm at for May and June combined is $69. The total for the year so far is $357.91. So not really on track. It's halfway through the year and I'm not even halfway to hitting my goal. Hopefully I can pick it up in the last half of the year once I start wearing makeup again and using up some products. Because like these $1 and $2 things are not going to get me anywhere with this project. So let me know what you think, if you used up anything recently or what you want to see next. If you want to see anything different in these videos that I'm not doing, let me know, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.